Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you some mistakes that a lot of people do, right? To me, I see it as a mistake, but I don't know about others. So but I'm here to show you the mistake so that you will not fall a victim, okay? So it's all about Grok subscription, right? So like some people subscribe Grok through X, that is formerly known as Twitter, right? So I made a huge mistake, which I'm regretting, right? So there was a time I decided to sub my Grok through X. So here is my X. So I will now have to come here, have to come, then choose here. Okay, then I have to come here, select uh, premium plus, then come here because you see this X super grok, then you choose this, then you pay $20 for 2 months. Then after the 2 months, then you go back to to $40, right? Then you rush, bam, and pay. You understand? Then later you think that you use grok through this X. Yeah, I tried it. I subscribe through this same method now. You understand? I added, let's say for instance, let's watch and see. Now now for instance, now if I want to proceed, I'll have to choose pay another way. Maybe they will show me payment method. I'm not going to proceed because I did in my there's a video I posted, I think yesterday. I did a mistake. You understand? So and they debited me 50,000. You understand? Where I was just making this tutorial video like this. So I decided to just to prove to people how it works. So then I mistakenly click uh, because I'm using iPhone. I double click this power button here and they debited me instantly. So I'm not going to proceed. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is that subscribing your Grok through X, it will not work. When you must when you must have successfully subscribed this your Grok, it will bring you to the home page of Grok. Then you see normal imagine to picture generation, text to this generation, all this. Then you see something like where they drop picture logo. You understand? Picture icon. Maybe you click it thinking that when you upload it will generate the video for you. No, you understand? It will just what it does mostly is from text. Maybe you drop a text and ask the grok inside this X to generate the text to picture. Maybe you must have when you paste your image prompt. You understand? then the Grok in this X will now generate it. You understand? Turn it to a picture. You understand? Maybe you drop a let's say uh, an image prompt where you command your prompt. Maybe let's say something like give me an African woman putting on agbada, walking in the street of Lagos. Yeah, so that kind of script, you now copy it. It's a written script. Now paste it in this uh, X Grok. Then the X Grok will generate you the woman. You understand? But when you want the Grok now to proceed and turn it to video, yeah, now it will not be possible. You understand? So I have seen a lot of people complaining, I subscribe Grok through X, but it's not working. And I was a victim as well. You understand? So I don't want you to pass through that pain. You understand? Because the only benefit that this X Grok has is that you will automatically be given this blue tick for 2 months. You understand? So though people are making use of it, but I'm saying it based on if you want to use Grok for your AI content and co, you will not benefit from that. You understand? So even to date, today is 15th of May, right? So even to date, I'm still right. They should refund me my money. Should refund me my money. You understand? So since last 2 months till today, I yet to refund me my money. So I just don't want you to pass through this pain and regret. Okay? So please and please, all you need to do is maybe you can discuss with your colleagues or any of your friends. Maybe you can join hand and sub Grok through the main app. You understand? Or you can buy all this prepaid 4 in 1, 3 in 1, 5 in 1, and go and be using it. You understand? So just that you will be fast to generate enough video before it got expired. Okay? So that is all about this video. Thank you very much. And if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe. Thank you very much.